I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here.
Stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up. Let's try to get it to 50 likes, and you can sit right there and watch me achieve this look on this hair. Synthetic wear, synthetic wear, synthetic wear. I did that. Love you guys so much, and let's hop into this slate. Hey guys, it's Fonz and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig review. If you like this wig on my head, I did a review on this already. I will have it in my wig playlist down below. Go ahead and check that out. But today I'm here with another hands-on from start to finish. This beauty right here. Okay, it's red. It's red. Okay. So first off, let me show you on the inside. It looked like this is 13 by 6. You know how I love my 13 by 6. Sorry about that. There's two combs here. There's one here, and there's adjustable straps. And something else I love about this wig is the hairline. Look how beautiful it is. Like they tweezed it. It looked very natural. Even the part is very wide and tweezed. I don't have to do much. So we're just gonna start with our use. Is putting the foundation. Ooh. I cannot find my regular foundation. This is the next best thing. This is the next best thing I have. The darkest. So let's do this, people. I'm very excited because I haven't did like this color red before. I have did burgundy and everybody loved it. So I want me to go ahead and do red. Ooh, this is not. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah. This is the lace high look on it after I put the dark foundation. And we're just gonna wait for it to get that clear coat look into it. And I like this lace glue too. Lace glue because it don't have to like be all the way clear. It dries clear. I love that. 1 second, people. Okay, I'm going to tie it down and come back after I feel like it's dried. Camera, do my baby hair, then come back and try to put some heat on it like it says, because according to it, it takes heat. So let's see. All right, this is it, and I'm just gonna put some concealer in my part. Cause y'all, This say heat resistant. Let me see. Okay. Okay, because I thought I was about to drop it on the floor. Drop it low, girl. And this is on all the way. But clearly this don't do nothing for it because it still look like this side to me. Okay guys, let's get into this review. It was a lot of shedding, maybe because I did a lot of cutting. Other than that, I like the hair. It feels very smooth. Is that hair on my mouth? My mouth hallucinated. Oh, it was hair on my lip gloss. I'm like, I know I'm not crazy. But this hair is not that long. It's right here by my boobs. So this is a Kanukalon wig. I love the color. I mean, it looking like a hot girl summer, if you ask me. But like, as far as it taking heat, it's not taking nothing because it's looking the same to me. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Let me know, is it looking the same to you? When I run the flat iron through it, you look the same. Like nothing is happening. But it's very thick. So this is 10% human hair and 90% heat resistant fiber wig. No shedding or mess. I beg or differ. There's a lot of shedding. Maybe because I did my cutting and that's a lot of mess on my floor. Maybe because I did some cutting. Brazilian natural collection. Pretty natural and soft. This description kills me. Heat resistant, premium synthetic hair, curling iron safe up to 350 to 400. It's not melting it, but at the same time it's not giving it any more of a gritness. So that you might want to consider. This hair was $42.90 plus $12 shipping and handling. I didn't really think I should spend that much on a synthetic wig. Oh my goodness, I was not thinking. So this is hand tied with double switch lids. What I will say about this hair, I did love the pre-plugging of it. I did love the deepness of the part. You know, some parts is just like barely anything. No, this was a part. Like, I love that about it. That's the first thing I noticed when I looked at the hair. Get into it. Y'all rate this hair down below. If I was to rate it, I would rate it a 8 out of a 10. Because I just feel like I had to put a lot of work into it. But the color is beautiful. I love the density. I don't know what density this is, but this is a lot of hair. And guys, comment down below if y'all would like to see me curl this hair with like flexi rods and hot water. Comment down below. I just want to be doing more to synthetic hair than just like slapping on my hair. I want to curl it. So let me know if you're down for that. Because you know me. With that being said, love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.